In Star Wars, the hologram was the realm of science fiction. Now it's become science fact.
Future is here.
If I could have my office in this room, I would be here every day.
This is very exciting.
This is the hologram table, the latest addition to Curtin University's Hive facility.
Unfortunately, it is hard to give you a real sense of what we're seeing here. With the glasses on, the image appears to float above this table in perfect 3D. And as you move around, you can see it from different angles.
Just like the movies, this hologram table is taking researchers out of this world.
Every time I come in here and I look at a three-dimensional image of Mars, it just renews my interest and wanting to find out more about this other planet.
This is a vision of the Martian surface. It's showing the area where NASA's Mars 2020 rover will land.
That is a mission that will launch next year in 2020, arrive on Mars and land at Jezero in 2021. And the idea there is that they are looking specifically for evidence of organic activity, life.
Professor Benedict's role using computer data now connected to this 3D technology is to map and count tiny craters on Mars.
What we can do is take that information and apply it to this particular area and get very high resolution ages of specific regions within the crater and around the crater.
From deep space to deep sea, this is the wreck of the Australian submarine HMAS 81. The hologram table allows scientists to peer into every nook and cranny in 3 dimension.
The table has tracking cameras in the 4 corners, and it measures where everyone is standing and produces a unique view for the 2 people viewing the display. And so if you're wanting to look around at a different side of an object, you just walk around that side.
The hologram table was made in Queensland. This is the first one in WA.
It's got endless possibilities, and there's no industry that will not be impacted by this technology. Earlier this year, we came in as runner-up in the Technology Olympics that was in Shenzhen, China.
There are 6 of these hologram tables now being used in Australia. Before you can say, "Beam me up, Scotty," a Star Trek-style holodeck in your lounge room is just around the corner.
Think of things like, Machu Picchu that maybe people won't ever get to, or the pyramids, or things like that.
I feel like we're getting to the Tony Stark method in Avengers of, okay, we can pull these things together and we'll create this image and we can say, okay, we're going to put our rover there and it's going to drive over there, and I think it's going to be absolutely amazing.
Really, the sky's the limit in terms of applications of this kind of technology.